One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Hey guys, it's me, Kara, Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, and I'm here because I've reached 100 subscribers, and that means it's time for the beauty and skincare giveaway. I'm really excited because I've only been on YouTube for just over a month, and it's going great, and I love producing the content and making fun videos, informative videos that can help you guys out. Everything about beauty on a budget. That's what my channel is all about. So, regarding the giveaway, you will have to be 18 or older or have your parents' permission to enter. I had to think about what countries would be eligible to enter. And a lot of YouTubers make their giveaways US only. I didn't want to do that. I looked at my analytics for my videos and saw that I had a bunch of viewers in the UK, Netherlands, and then about 20% of my views were other. So I don't know exactly which countries those are, but if you're viewing from outside the US, hi guys, you can enter and you can win too. So the way to enter will be to like this video, subscribe to my channel. It would be helpful if you hit the notification bell so that when the giveaway ends, you will be notified of the notification video. So in your comment below, please indicate your country and also how I can reach you. If you are an Instagram user, leave your Instagram name, or you can leave your email address. And if you're not comfortable with leaving an email address in the comments section, you can go to my description, see my email link, and you can email me. You can give me your YouTube handle and your email address where I can contact you. But there have been issues with the contests on YouTube where if the person is picked, then the YouTuber can't find them. So I have to be able to find you. Instagram handle, email address, or again, just email me. My email is champagnetasty@gmail.com. Okay, so what is in this box? It is this big. That big. We'll put it next to my giant head so you can see what size it is. It is this big. And everything in here was purchased by me. This is not sponsored in any way. It's just to celebrate reaching 100 subscribers. So it is all beauty and skincare. I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm going to show you the highlights of the box. And as the next few weeks go on, I'll be adding a few more products into the box to fill it up before I send it out. Okay, here's one in the box. This is my favorite Holy Grail skincare product of anything. This is Strivectin AR, which is a night cream. It's retinol. It is not like a Retin-A, which will cause peeling. It is a retinol. It is easy for your skin to adjust to when you first start using it. It produces great results. Here, I'll zoom in. Okay, well, I think it produces great results, but I'm also 49 years old, so I'm not 25, but I mean, I get no breakouts, and I love this product. This product goes for $79 at Ulta, and I buy it for $19.99 at TJ Maxx, and sometimes it's even on sale for like $16. I don't know why, because it's like the best product, I think, in the whole TJ Maxx store. Another awesome product. This is the Strivectin eye concentrate for wrinkles. I got it at TJ Maxx. Essence Lash Princess, the one in the green tube. I did a mascara battle between this and the $32 Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lash Mascara, and I'm going to link that up here, but you might be surprised at what the findings were at the end of the battle. That's in the box. Here are other things in the box. We have a rose gold liquid eyeshadow. If you've never tried the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer in the box, that is a very expensive primer. Also in the box will be the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which goes for about $8 at Ulta versus the Tatcha, which is very expensive. And the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer will be in the box too. It's often sold out at Ulta, and it's almost always hard to find. Okay, what's in here? It might be a palette. Morphe brush? Why not? Okay guys, there's still some more stuff in here, and I'm going to be adding a few more products as the days go by from my shopping trips to TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I'm going to link up here if you want to check out my shopping trips to TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and I'm going to keep this giveaway going until Thursday, April 25th. So you have a 3-week period to enter the giveaway, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. And I have somewhere around 110 subscribers right as of this morning. So I think your odds will be good that you could win. I think it's fun, I think it's exciting. And as for who is eligible to get the box, I'm gonna make it worldwide. I may regret this decision. I know how much it costs to ship this box to the US, Canada, and Western Europe. I do not know how much it will cost to ship this to Australia or Japan or China, but if you guys are from there and you win, I guess I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find out, maybe the hard way. So please like and comment on this video. Your comment will be your entry. And again, be sure to indicate the country you are in, as well as how I can reach you. If you have an Instagram handle, that would be great. Email address, or just email me with your YouTube name so that I know that it is you if you are the one that is chosen. How are we going to choose the winner? Great question. It will be done by a random comment generator. And I will film the process of doing that. It's something that a lot of YouTubers do, if not all of them. It is a random comment generator. So you just enter in the video, this video today, and it randomly picks from the comments below. So if you comment twice, the second comment will not be considered an additional entry. It will be 1 entry per person by commenting down below. But if you want to leave one comment, which is your entry, and then a couple other comments about how your day is going or any ideas you may have for my upcoming videos that I produce, go ahead and do that. I'd like to hear it. I like talking to you guys. So if you want to comment about anything, dogs, coffee, spring is coming, whatever you like, I'd like to hear from you. So thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. early. It was you, the first 100 subscribers that got me to this point. I've only been on YouTube for maybe 35 days or so, and it's been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed presenting content that has to do with beauty on a budget, TJ Maxx Shop with Me's, subscription box videos. It's really been a lot of fun, and I had no idea that it would be kind of successful. So in about 35 days, I've gotten about 6,500 views. So my first 100 subscribers and the number of views came a little quickly, and I'm so appreciative for that. And like, I'm just kind of speechless. Nah, I talk a lot. So here's the box. Please subscribe. Please enter my contest. Shipping is free. It's open worldwide. I bought everything in the box. I'm paying for shipping. No reason not to enter. Check out my other videos. Tell a friend. Share it with your mom. Share it with your friends. Share it with your high school biology teacher. But thanks a million, you guys. I just love the support you've been giving. And I hope you're having a great day. It is spring here in New England. We're having a beautiful day. It's 50 degrees. And I'm so happy that winter is over. All the snow in New England is crazy. So I hope you're having a great spring day, and I look forward to seeing your comments underneath this video and getting involved in this giveaway. So have a great day, and I'm going to see you guys really, really soon. Okay, thanks. Bye.